Hi guys, welcome back to Deep Chinese. Hi there, Gloria. Small talk is where the friendships are made. If you know how to make small talk in Cantonese, you can make more Cantonese friends. Family, 屋企人. People are likely to ask about your family. Conversation openers about family may include 你有冇兄弟姊妹啊?你有冇兄弟姊妹啊?兄弟 brothers, 姊妹 sisters, 兄弟姊妹 siblings. Do you have any siblings? They are like around 30s. You could ask 你有冇小朋友啊?你有冇小朋友啊?小朋友 kids. 你有冇小朋友啊? Do you have kids? Number 5. Travel 旅遊. People like to hear about vacations. If you travel, be ready to answer the question about the place you visit and give your opinions about some place you have been. Your friends may ask you, 呢個假期你準備去邊玩啊?呢個假期你準備去邊玩啊?呢個假期 This holiday 準備 be ready to 去邊玩啊?去邊 Go where 呢個假期你準備去邊玩啊? Where are you going this holiday? Then maybe you could answer 上海, maybe 杭州, maybe 福建, right? Ask them if they have been there. 你有冇去過啊?你有冇去過啊? Have you been there? If they have, then ask them about their favorite travel spots and what they recommend. Most people like to help and will happy to share their experiences. So you could ask, 有咩景點同嘢食推薦啊?有咩景點同嘢食推薦啊?有咩 have what? 景點 place of interest, traveling spots, 同 and 嘢食 food, 推薦啊, 推薦 recommend. 有咩景點同嘢食推薦啊? What travel sports or food do you recommend? When you come back, don't forget to buy some souvenirs for your friends. Then you can say, 我買咗啲手信俾你哋啊。我買咗啲手信俾你哋啊。I 買咗 bought 啲手信 the souvenir 俾你哋。For you, 我買咗啲手信俾你哋啊。I bought some souvenir for you. Okay, that is what we learned today. If you want to know what souvenir of Cantonese, like and leave me a comment. I will make one more video about it if you want. Hope you will find it easily to talk with the Cantonese friends. See you guys. Bye bye.